Okay, I'm back in the car again today, and I wanted to share with you this beautiful music that I've been listening to from our friend Josh Cavazos. Josh composed the music for a documentary called Prayers for Cassie. And in this documentary, Cassie shares her story and her life on her cancer journey. And it is so hopeful and so beautiful. And I want you to see it. And at the end of the documentary, there is a video that Josh put together with his team that also shows this beautiful, lovely music that he wrote about Cassie and her story. I want to say to you, Josh, thank you so much for sharing with me personally your story and your gifts all the time. I am blessed by your music. And for you, Cassie, oh, Cassie, I hope I get to meet you one day because you really blessed me through your story, and it's going to bring so much hope and joy to those who hear your story. Thank you. Well done.